What's up, guys? It's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, let's get right into this. Today, we're going to be talking about managing plugins, and I'm going to be showing you this plugin manager I have here. I use this to manage my plugins, and I'll just be sharing some few tips with you on how you should manage your plugins. And yeah, let's talk about this. Let's get right into this. So I have this plugin database here, and I built this in Google Sheets. I used to use Evernote for this previously, but I just moved everything over to Google Sheets, and I'm still like filling in the plugins I use here. So this is just like a plugin database. So I have the name of the plugin here, the type, that's an instrument or an effect. Then I have the category, different categories here. Then the manufacturer, filled in different manufacturers here. Then the use frequency, then notes, then link. So what's this for? Why did I create this? So I realized I had too many plugins installed, and I didn't keep track of the plugins I had and the plugins I didn't have. Then I'll install a plugin and I already have something that does the exact same thing, even better. And I kept installing different plugins, free plugins. I kept chasing deals and things like this and sales, and just getting thousands of plugins. I literally had over 1,000 plugins installed on my PC, and I didn't like this. This made everything chaotic with me. So I had to create a system to manage these plugins, and that's the first use. If you don't use a plugin, you shouldn't have it installed on your system. If you don't plan to use a plugin, you shouldn't have it installed on your system. So that's the first tip I have for you guys. This will just save you space and to save you lots of things. So I have this use frequency option to track that. So if we check this example here, I have T-Rax Deluxe. It's an effect, it's a bundle made by Akai Multimedia, and I use it frequently. I use this a lot. I use it TR5 metering, the quad limiter, and the quad imaging plugin. So if you check the link here, it takes you to the plugin page and you see everything about that particular plugin. And let's take another example. This is Mini Grand. It's an instrument, it's a piano instrument made by Air Music Technology. I use this occasionally. So occasional is after frequent. Then I have once in a while, never used, needs to be deleted. And I also have deleted. So let's see the link to this. So you have the link to this. You can know how much, you can have an idea of how much you bought it and different things like that. So this helps you keep track of your plugins. So if I filter this here and I filtered this to, let's clear once in a while and never used. So these plugins come up. I don't use these plugins a lot, and I should consider deleting some of them. This just helps me keep track of what I should have and what I shouldn't have on my system. So this is how I do it, and let's just select all. So like I said before, you shouldn't be having thousands of plugins installed. If you don't need a plugin, don't download it, don't install it. If you have a plugin that already does what you want, it's fine, except you are looking for a very new feature, a very interesting feature. If you have something that already does what you want, just leave it. Don't chase a sale or a deal that you don't need just because of the fear of missing out or something like that. Just install the plugins you need and stick with that. So yeah, what else do I want to talk about? Okay, this also helps me find plugins I need. Like if I'm looking for let's clear all. If I'm looking for a piano plugin, boom, I have 3 piano plugins here. I haven't put in everything, but this is what I have. So I can just like check through my notes and see what I use this for. And yeah, this helps me find a plugin I want to use, or an instrument I want to use, or an effect plugin I want to use. This helps me keep track of my plugins. So that's the simple job of this plugin database here, to help keep track of my plugins, and it works well. So I'll be sharing this with you guys. Check the link in the description to download this. What other tips do I have with plugins? If you are using Windows, install VST3 plugins. You don't need to install VST2 or VST plugins. Install 64-bit VST3 plugins. They are just more stable and better. So yeah, I think that's everything. If you have any tips for plugin management, leave them in the comments below. If you have any tips for me that I can use to update these documents, leave them in the comments below. This will be available for download in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's talk about how you manage your plugins in the comments below. And I hope you learned something from this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. That will help me a lot. And yeah, I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you in the next video.